let me show you a few different ways where you could draw eyes with different expressions. That way your characters don't all look the same and actually look like they've got some life to them. I'm going to start, I love drawing comic books when I was a kid, so I'm going to draw some kind of angry comic book character type eyes. So it always starts kind of like a big check mark. It curves around on the side. I'll do the same thing over here. Kind of like that. Let me make this one a little bit longer. Okay. Now instead of making those round almond shapes, we're going to draw kind of a straight line like this. Notice it doesn't go to the edge here. And then a curved line on the bottom, almost like a little sailboat. That's going to make it look like the head's tilted down, and we're going to draw the eyes so it looks like he's looking up. So we don't want the eyeball or the irises to go all the way to the bottom here. So we're going to draw just like this. Just a half circle, not going down quite to the bottom. And then from there, what I like to do is I like to thicken up the top right here. That makes it look like the shadow from the top of the eyelid. And then draw just this little curved line just like that to make the iris. We'll do that over here. We'll draw that kind of this little hook shape for the bottom of the eyes. Now we could draw our eyebrows. So notice how I do these lines right here, but from about this point over to about there, I just color the entire thing in. Maybe I need a bigger pen for this. Okay, now here's a little trick to eyebrows, at least for pen and ink. Right here on the edge, I'm going to draw them going up that way. And then down here, draw a couple more. And then you could add a couple little lines over the top. And maybe one or two more down here. And we'll do the same thing on this side. And from right around here, we'll color all that in. Then we'll have a couple that kind of go up a little bit above that line, but that's a good little start. And then from here, we'll curve that over. And then right on the bottom here, draw a few like that. And then now you can add that bottom eyelid, or the start to that bottom eyelid. And if he's really angry, he's going to have this crease right in the middle. And if he's maybe yelling, we'll have a couple little creases right here on his nose. That is a really upset character. You can play with your line weight a little bit too. Maybe make it a little bit thicker on top. Just touch it up to however you like. Hey, I hope you're having a lot of fun and really enjoying the tutorial, but I wanted to remind you, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you'll receive an alert every time I post a new video. And if you want to take your drawings to the next level, make sure to check out my Drawing Master course at www.iamshaneburke.com. Now, to do the opposite, maybe a smiley face or a surprised face, we're going to start with the eyebrows again, and instead of curving down towards the center, they're going to curve up in the center. So we'll start with kind of the same thing, tilted down just a little bit, and then down like that on the sides. Do it again over here. That's going to be the start of our eyebrows. Now, instead of having the flat top of the eyes, it's going to be round on top and kind of flatter on the bottom. And we're going to give a little, some decent spacing in between. And then on the bottom here, it's going to be almost flat. It's going to have a little curve to it, but almost flat. And then you see how you've got the space right here from the iris to the bottom of the eyelid. We're going to do the opposite. We're going to have a little space here. So we're going to make the irises on the bottom of the eye. This will make them look like they're kind of scared or really worried. Then we'll put a little circle on each side and draw the pupil. The little circle is the reflection that from the light. And we could draw our eyelids. They're going to be really small. And then maybe underneath here, the bottom. Now we can start the same thing with those like we did with those eyebrows on top. We'll draw the first few and then color this section in. You could do this any way you want, but this is just how I do it. And then over here, then we'll start this one. Maybe to about here. Color that in. Add a few hairs just poking over it. Then we've got our eyebrows. I'm gonna just thicken up the top of this eyelid a little bit to make it look like they've got some eyelashes. We're gonna do the same thing like we did up here with the mean eyebrows, with that little crease in between. But in this case, because they're tilted up, it makes our subject look like they're scared or frightened. Let's do one more. This time we're going to draw a woman's eyes, and they're going to be a little bit more neutral and make her look like she's sleepy. So we'll start with the basic shape of the eyebrows as our guideline. And then this time, instead of the flat top or the flat bottom, it's going to be a little bit in between. But it's going to be the opening of her eyes is going to be very small. And then we'll draw big eyelids. And then her irises, we'll draw that shadow underneath the eyelids. Draw our little hook there for the for the reflection of the eyelids, or for the reflection of the light hitting the pupil. And then we'll add the start of our eyebrows. Maybe she's really sleepy, or she's just really tired, or maybe she's already an expert at drawing and doesn't need these tutorials. little carried away over there. I'm gonna have to make these some bushy eyebrows. It's all right. Bushy eyebrows are making a comeback, right? Okay, now let's add some eyelashes. Make them really long and exaggerated out here on the outside. We'll do it again over here. Do those first few lines. I'll color all this in. I think this pen's drying out. And I'll bring some a little bit over. And there we go. Maybe that's maybe that eyelash has gotten a little bit more attention than the other one. Or that eyebrow. We'll add our eyelashes. See, they're gonna be really exaggerated out there on the outside. Maybe thicken this one up a little bit more. There you have it. 3 different ways to draw eyes with a little bit different expressions for each one. That way your characters don't all look the same. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.